So hey, I'm Cassie if you're new to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. And today I'm going to be doing a two-toned makeup look using, I was going to use the Norvina palette because I just got it, but as I'm looking at it, a lot of it is like pinkier kind of tones and browns and like, you know, stuff like that. So it didn't really fit. So I was using the Morphe 35M. Again, with the help of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Bling Boss palette, as well as the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette in Brights. And yeah, I actually also used a new complexion product. I used this, which is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in Light. And honestly, I really like it. So I'm gonna zoom you in so you can actually see like the look that I did. But I did green and purple, and then on the under I did purple and green. So like, even though it's two-toned, it's not like all one. Like, I wanted to mix it up a little bit. I also did eyeliner, which I haven't done in a very long time because I ran out of my Kat Von D eyeliner and I didn't want to buy Kat Von D anymore. But today I used the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and it's pretty good, not gonna lie. The wand is a little bit thicker, but like I can hold it properly, so I like it very much. And I am rambling right now, but if you want to recreate this makeup look or just watch me do my makeup, then please keep watching. Jumping right in, I'm just gonna grab Stroke of Luck, and I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. And the brush I'm using is just a regular Smashbox brush that came with one of their palettes. And now using an Anastasia brush, I took Express Yourself, and I'm putting that on the outer corner of my eye to deepen that a little bit. And can I just say, did you guys enjoy my customer service voice for the intro and soon to be outro of this video? Anyways, I'm just going to be blending that out again with Stroke of Luck. And I totally forgot, but I'm doing a halo eye, so I'm also going to be bringing Express Yourself to the inner corner of my eye as well. And now I'm going to be using Bold Moves, and I'm applying that on my lid. And now I switched it to a brush so I can get a more precise line. And again, I'm blending the inner and outer corners with Express Yourself just so everything is seamlessly blended. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm taking that light magenta shade using a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just putting that all up in my crease. Now I'm just going to take Rockstar from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault collection, the Boss Bling palette, and again I'm just going to be placing that on the inner and outer corners of my eye, and later I'm just going to blend it out again. And for the lid shade, I am using Grape Expectation again, and I'm just going to be applying it again first with my finger and then a brush, and then I'm going to be blending everything out again. And this is a new product that I'm using, and this is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and I do not know how to do eyeliner on camera, so I struggled a lot. So you're going to see me doing this, and then it's going to cut to the end of the other eye, and then that's it because I was out of frame. I was really close to the mirror that was placed in front of me, so everything was just a mess when it comes to eyeliner. Now onto the face, I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water as well as the Pore Minimizing Primer, and I'm just putting that all over my face. And now I'm taking the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Light, and honestly, this looks very light on me on camera, but in Sephora it actually looked a little too dark, so I think I'm going to pick up light medium in the future and kind of mix the two together. For concealer, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 15 Fair, and I'm just putting that under my eyes in a triangle motion, and I'm really putting it right up into my lower lash line. And I'm also going to be putting that on my forehead, in between my nose. I meant in between my eyebrows, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin as well. And to bronze up my face and contour at the same time, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow. It's a contour palette and it's in Dulce de Leche, and I'm just going to be using that on my cheekbones and a little bit on my temples. My camera totally cut off, but for blush I was using the Tarte Holiday palette from last year, and it was in the shade Angelic. And now I'm just going to grab Stroke of Luck again, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking Express Yourself to lightly line the lower lash line, and I'm just going to go in with Great Expectation on my other eye, just that one shade, because I feel like that shade is enough. And now using my Milk Makeup Star Stamp, I was originally just going to put one, but I saw that Rin did the inner corner ones and he's amazing, so I kind of copied him, and I felt that one more was missing, so I just put it right at the end of my eyeshadow as well. For lips, it totally cut off, but I was using Aquarius Ultra Satin Lip by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. And for lip gloss, I'm using the MAC lip gloss in Luster something. I will put it down below. Again, I forgot. But I am just using that to make my lips a little bit more glossy. And now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So, this is the final look. Honestly, I'm just gonna try to get more videos up, even though I am very stressed. Everyone is stressed. We have so much work to do. I have so many things due, and I literally couldn't work anymore. So I decided to film a video because, yeah, that's really smart. But right after, I'm just gonna go back to doing work, and I might hang out with friends a little bit to like chill out. But thank you for watching this video. I know I've had 2 voiceovers in a row, but I feel like I will do like a chatty get ready with me, or just like a chatty tutorial where I like talk through it when I get more time to do it. And also, I know I totally said I was going to do a November BoxyCharm unboxing, but I don't really want to do another warm toned look again. So there's this one. It's really different. I put the stars in a different place. I usually never put it like on the inner bit, but I wanted to go like triangle, like 1, 2, 3, okay, something like that, and I just thought it looked kind of cool. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.